Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I am going to show you about a low voltage protection system which will prevent you and your load from low voltage saturation system. So first of all, we saw a battery which is as user source. Now we are connecting our high volt relay, and now we are using a Zener diode here to control the relay here. So I am connecting both of them. Now we are connecting green LED here. Okay. So in this condition, we are connecting from normally open terminal to our LED, and we set our Zener diode level to 5 volt, and now it will prevent this load under 9 volt. Okay. So if the voltage is on 12 volt, our LED is running, so our load will be operate at 12 volt. And now if it is 9 volt, then our load cannot be operated. So this is under low voltage protection system. If the voltage is more than 9 volt, which will be equivalent to 11 volt, suppose our LED will also be running. So this is our simple project which can prevent the load from under voltage protection system. Thank you everyone.